Good day. Welcome to HRIS Self-Service. But before you play, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for you to notify and the bell icon if there is new update. Welcome to eSelf-Service on how to use learning and development online trainings. In order to access eSelf-Service application, first, log your user credentials, for instance by your user ID and password as an active user. Note: a pop-up window will appear in announcement. First, learning and development online training is now available. Second, please navigate to Learning and Development Online Training. Third, all employees need to complete all required training on how to use HRIS Self-Service My Application. Fourth, if you forgot your password, please use our Forgot Password facility. Click the Forgot Password link located below the password input field in Login page. Please select Recover with Email Recovery Method and click Recover. Then a passcode will be sent to your email address you provided in your PDS. Use the passcode to create your new password. Click close icon to go back on main page. While on the main page of online trainings, main page has two filters: show number entries and training year. Also has two tabs: not started and completed, including number of videos has not started and completed. Select videos that you want to play online, or you can also click download the PDF or video to download. While I'm playing the video, a pop-up message above will appear that successfully completed. Your training has been credited. While on selecting Download the PDF, a pop-up confirmation window will appear: successfully downloaded the file. PDF file has already downloaded. While on selecting video, a pop-up confirmation window will appear that successfully downloaded the file. The tabs shown above that there were 11 videos not started and 3 videos completed. To view your completed online trainings, click Completed tabs. Select videos you may want to view. To view details, click Information. Training details, status, training mode, description, and date of completion will be visible. Click close icon to go back on main page of online trainings. The end. Thank you for watching.